What do I tell the doctor after I'm injured in an accident? Hi, I'm Morris Lilienthal. I'm a trial lawyer based out of Huntsville, Alabama. One of the most important things you can do after an accident, after reporting it to the local police, is to follow up and seek medical treatment. And when you go to the doctor, it's really important that you tell the doctor everything that's hurting. And I mean from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. It's really important not only for your health to get treated and to get everything taken care of, but it's also important to have everything documented. Doctors typically will treat the worst injury first, and that gets priority. And from a medical standpoint, we certainly understand that. But what happens oftentimes is something like a broken arm may be treated initially and it heals well. But if you had a secondary injury like a bad neck or a bad back, those things take a back seat. And if they're not documented early on, that becomes problematic later on in the case. So it's really important that when you go into the doctor early on is to have everything documented and done, because if it's not charted, a jury or an insurance company is likely not going to believe that it was hurting. So go in, tell the doctor everything that's hurting, and then follow the treatment protocols that are set up. It's also important not to miss any of your treatment appointments, that if you're going to the doctor, if you've got issues, you've got things, go to those appointments. Don't miss them. Insurance companies and juries tend to think that if you didn't go to the doctor, then you're not hurting. Now, there may be a valid reason you didn't go. Maybe you had a cold or you were sick. Maybe your children were sick, or maybe life just happened. But you've got to go to the appointments that you've got set up. And if you can't make it, it's important that you let them know you can't be there, and so you can reschedule. Again, those are the things that you need to do if you go to see a doctor after an accident, is let them know everything that's hurting. Again, I'm Morris Lilienthal, a Huntsville-based trial lawyer. If you've got questions, give us a call at 800-255-6534. Please like this video and follow us on YouTube and share it out on social media. Take care, everybody.